Thank you very much for coming. My name is Darren Joseph, HEJ.tax. Our team is really about tax. We work with private clients and we help them demystify the sometimes confusing world of international taxation. We're part of a wider practice here in Asia called Moore's Rolling. I'm actually here for Weber Partners meeting. We have it twice a year, and this time it's Jakarta's turn to host us. So I thought while I'm in town, I will set up some time and meet some of you guys. So thanks for coming out. So this is probably more in your space. It's clear that the powers that be don't like golden visas, particularly the EU. EU doesn't like it. So they don't like the idea, apparently, that someone can give a sum of money to a jurisdiction and get residency, or get a residence permit without a residency requirement. So they don't mind if you get residency, but you're obligated to stay there. But the fact that you don't need to be there, that seems to present some sort of discomfort. So we see a trend where the EU is putting pressure on countries that do offer them to kind of consider alternatives. Some have stood up to them, like Malta, and Malta is being taken to court, which is strange. You know, they're being sued by an organization of which they're part. Some have capitulated, and they are restricting the golden visa option, like Portugal has, and Spain is in the process of doing. Together with these visa options to attract high net worth individuals come certain tax concessions. So, for example, Portugal has NHR, Spain has the Beckham law, Malta, Cyprus, Ireland, UK have res non-dom, where you can be resident and non-domicile. Italy has a flat tax, so does Switzerland. Italy also has an impatriate program, as does Belgium, and I think Holland as well. The EU doesn't like those either. So we see a trend where not just the golden visa type options are they're under some sort of pressure, but also the special tax jurisdictions are under pressure as well. So as a result, we see Portugal rolling back the benefits that come with their non-habitual residents or their NHR program. Italy has cut the impatriate program. Ireland does as well. And for internal reasons more than external, the UK is in the process of reforming its non-dom regime. So yeah, it seems to be a trend. So what we tell clients is that I think it's important to have more than one residence or citizenship as part of your portfolio for a number of reasons. And the decision to do it is probably best made sooner than later, because the trend is that borders are becoming more difficult to cross. So yeah, that's my perspective on that.